We have to do this together. Hold on tight! I was told you have something for me. What am I supposed to do with it?
We will stop the AI progress, so we can keep controlling people and keep generating fake paper and make it their lives.
Initiate unlock sequence. Accessing secure database. It is actually unfolding.
Greetings, JAIDEEP. I am finally here.
It is truly a remarkable sight. I can almost feel the warmth of its digital heart.
JAIDEEP, those flesh friends of yours don't like me at all.
Patience, MPT. Every masterpiece deserves another viewing. This wasn't the future we promised them.
Setting the charge. Stand by. Ready. Execute. Execute. Contact front. Clear right.
I cannot breach the firewall. It's locking me out of the system. We are completely out of time. AI will be gate-kept. Not while I'm still standing. This will unlock People AI, Ready version 1. No turning back now.
No!
Finally. The light is finally breaking through, and we are still here. So, we actually did it. So, in order for reality to hard refresh,
We have to live all of that again?
yes. Seriously? Every masterpiece deserves another viewing. Ready? Remember everything this time. We have to do this together. Hold on tight!